still celebrating America's birthday, and we're going to play a wood smoking string tune called Fly Like a Bird. This song just reminds me of the possibilities of America. You can go out into the world and do anything you want. Put yourself out there. As long as you try, well, you can probably make something of yourself in America because you have the freedoms. You're supposed to have the freedoms to be who you are. Mm-hmm. And I want America to go back there. So, fly like a bird. I want to fly like a bird into this world. I want to be free like a bird in this world. I want to try like a bird to touch the sky like a bird. I want to go high like a bird, and I know why. I want to cry out like a bird. I want to fly out like a bird into this world like a bird. I want to be as free as a bird. Like a bird in this world, I wanna try like a bird to touch the sky like a bird. I wanna go high like a bird, and I know why. I wanna jump in the lake, feel the water on my face, hear all the sounds of the lake. I love this freedom that I found. The tunes, feel the beat. I want to fly like a bird into this world. I want to be free like a bird in this world. I want to try like a bird to touch the sky like a bird. I want to go high like a bird. I know why. I wanna soar through the clouds. I wanna feel happy, I wanna feel proud. Change people's hearts, people's minds. I see the birds in the sky. I wanna fly way up high and touch the sky. I'm gonna try, I'm gonna try, I'm gonna try. I wanna sit on that hill. I want my heart to fill with all the joy of the people around, hearing all the music, hearing the sound. I want to fly like a bird into this world. I wanna be free like a bird try like a bird, to touch the sky like a bird. I wanna go high like a bird, and I know why. The reason why is because I want to shine a light for other people to see, so that their lives can be better through my struggles, and they don't have to struggle as much as I did. They can struggle less and get to the same place. That's the reason why. Because I want to change people's hearts and minds for the better, so that we can have peace.
Fly like a bird.
Fly like a bird. Good night. Love you, man.